Tokyo runs fast, always forward. But just across the sea, the noise fades. On Niijima and Shikinejima islands, the ocean sets the pace. Slow, steady, timeless. Here, you don't chase the day, you drift with it. Just under 3 hours by hydrofoil, or an even shorter plane ride from the city, these islands feel like another world. Surrounded by endless blue, it's a part of Tokyo that invites visitors into a slower rhythm. Nature takes center stage with crystal clear waters beckoning exploration. Tokyo Nature Drift, Niijima and Shikinejima Islands.
Hello, my name is Yanni and I am here in Tokyo. Yes, Niijima is actually a part of the Tokyo Metropolitan area. Now, I'm really excited to explore not only this island, but also its neighboring island of Shikinejima. I'm here at Habushira Beach. Usually, you can only find sand as wide as this much further away from Tokyo. So you can already tell that there's something really unique about this island. This is the stone they make the glass from.
One of Niijima's most distinctive features is this volcanic rock, Koga Stone. A rock rarely seen anywhere else in the world. Numerous statues made with Koga Stone can be found all around the island. It's also the raw material for the naturally olive-colored Niijima glass. Both beautiful and versatile, Koga Stone has become an iconic symbol of Niijima.
We're heading to Shikinejima and I'm super excited. We're gonna go snorkeling and riding a bicycle, and it's actually my first time going there. Oh, I can't wait. This is Shikinejima. Take a look around. No flash attractions, no noise. Just open skies, gentle waves, and time that moves at its own pace. Let's drift even deeper. The best way to see Shikinejima is on 2 wheels. It actually takes less than 1 hour to get around the whole island. No rush, just pedals, the ocean breeze, and take your time.
Yani arrives at Tomari Beach. Tucked away in a tranquil cove, it offers the sense of your own private paradise with its gentle, shallow waters.
I'm just gonna have a small snack here on the beach before going snorkeling. Nothing fancy, but with this view, it's the best meal in the world. It's really beautiful under the water. It's a little bit cloudy up here now, but it's absolutely amazing down there. You can see all the way over to the other side there. I think I'm gonna take another swim.
Rejuvenated, Yani makes her way up to Kambiki Observatory at Mount Kambiki, the highest point on Shikinejima.
Sometimes drifting means climbing. The reward, horizons that remind you of just how small you actually are. Now, I heard that this spot was the best panoramic view on all of this island, and it sure is. This island is really tiny, but it feels kind of vast being surrounded by this huge ocean. So they have a couple of onsens here on this island, and the one where I am at right now is called Miyabi-yu. And as you guys can see, it's a seaside onsen, but it's also free. Now, this onsen is a favorite spot among the locals, and they like to come together here in the evening and have a chat and just soak, which I am gonna do right now.
Another of the free onsens on Shikinejima is this one, Jinata Onsen, a dramatic seaside hot spring where mineral-rich waters bubble up from the earth and mix with the ocean.
Drifting through Niijima and Shikinejima, I could feel the stress of the big city really shredding off me as I walked around the island. I had an absolutely amazing time here, learning about the culture and snorkeling, riding a bicycle and seeing the whole island as it is. I had an absolutely unforgettable journey, and I think I'll be back here again someday.
Let the city rush. You've got time.